The Tesla Cybertruck, one of the most anticipated electric vehicles, EVs, of the decade, is making waves with its futuristic design and impressive specs. However, one of the most crucial aspects of any vehicle's success lies in its safety performance. Tesla, known for innovation, has applied advanced technologies to ensure that the Cybertruck stands tall when it comes to crash safety. Recent crash tests of the Tesla Cybertruck have provided us with valuable insights into the vehicle's safety features and performance. Let's start. The unique structure of the Cybertruck. One of the standout features of the Tesla Cybertruck is its exoskeleton. Unlike traditional trucks that use body-on-frame designs, the Cybertruck's stainless steel exterior is not just for aesthetics. NHTSA crash test results. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, is one of the primary agencies responsible for vehicle safety testing in the United States. Tesla Cybertruck has undergone preliminary crash testing by the NHTSA, with encouraging results. Frontal impact. In the event of a head-on collision, the Cybertruck's front crumple zone absorbed a significant portion of the impact, reducing the forces transmitted to the passenger cabin. The massive structure of the vehicle and the high ride height also provided added safety for the driver and passengers. Side impact. In side impact tests, the Cybertruck's sturdy exoskeleton demonstrated excellent resistance to deformation. The door panels and side reinforcements absorbed much of the collision energy, protecting passengers from injury. Rollover protection. Due to the Cybertruck's low center of gravity, courtesy of its battery pack situated at the base, the vehicle showed impressive resistance to rollover. Electric vehicles like the Cybertruck are generally less prone to rolling over compared to traditional trucks, and the test results confirm this advantage. Euro NCAP testing. In addition to the NHTSA tests, the Cybertruck has also been subjected to Euro NCAP crash tests, which provide a more comprehensive assessment of safety features, particularly in European markets. The results were similarly promising, with high ratings in adult and child occupant protection. Key safety features of the Cybertruck. Rigid exoskeleton. As previously mentioned, the Cybertruck's exoskeleton is designed to provide maximum durability and strength. This makes it a safe option for preventing penetration during high-speed crashes. Tesla Autopilot and Full Self-Driving. Tesla's proprietary Autopilot and Full Self-Driving (SE) features have been integrated into the Cybertruck. These features add an extra layer of safety by automatically reacting to sudden obstructions, avoiding collisions, and minimizing crash risks. Advanced airbag deployment. Tesla has engineered a sophisticated airbag system for the Cybertruck. In crash tests, the airbag deployment was timely and adjusted based on the severity of the collision, ensuring better protection for all passengers. Crumple zones. While the Cybertruck's exterior is incredibly tough, the vehicle still maintains designated crumple zones that are designed to absorb energy during collisions. This ensures that the cabin structure remains intact and passengers are shielded from the brunt of the impact. Battery safety. One of the primary concerns with EVs is the potential risk of battery fires during crashes. Tesla has fortified the Cybertruck's battery pack with additional protective layers to reduce the likelihood of battery damage or fire during a collision. Tesla's commitment to safety. Tesla has consistently prioritized safety in all its vehicles, and the Cybertruck is no exception. CEO Elon Musk has stated that the company is striving for a 5-star safety rating across all regions where the Cybertruck will be sold. Moreover, Tesla's over-the-air software updates mean that safety features can be continually improved even after the vehicle has been purchased, ensuring the latest advancements in crash avoidance technology are always in place. Conclusion. The crash test results of the Tesla Cybertruck indicate that it is not only a groundbreaking vehicle in terms of design and performance, but also one of the safest trucks on the market. Its durable exoskeleton, advanced safety technologies, and strong test performances make it a formidable contender in the electric vehicle industry. With Tesla's ongoing focus on innovation and safety, the Cybertruck promises to offer not just futuristic looks, but also cutting-edge protection for its passengers.